Here's how to use LibreWolf. So as you can see, you can go ahead and check it out first on your mobile device and search it from Safari, Google, or Chrome. And you will see there the installation instructions on how are you going to use the LibreWolf. So you can install it on the operating system available that you have. There is the Windows, Arch Linux, Debian-based, Gentoo, Fedora, OpenSUSE, other Linux, or Mac OS. So for example, you are going to download it with Windows. Click on the Windows as operating system and click on download LibreWolf, and then you will see there the file. Just go ahead and save it to drive and zip the file afterwards. Or you can just go ahead and install it with your Microsoft application. And then as you can see, once you have already logged into your LibreWolf, you can go ahead and use the installation, source code, or documentation. For the source code, you can see that the repositories and other document projects that can help you to locate it on your computer. This is actually good to make the files on your computer more organized and not being so dangerous so that we can avoid any viruses that can go beyond on your computer.